Hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Target slash haul in general. I just thought I'd share with you guys a couple of things that I bought the last couple of days, but mostly clothing from Target. I went out yesterday, had me a little vlog day if you caught me on TikTok live. Hey girl. But yeah, I thought it'd be fun to share with you a couple of things that I picked up, and it's mostly clothing, Target clothing, but some other items too. This past summer, it has been so crazy. So yeah, let's jump into it. It'll be really fun, really quick, some really cute items, so I'm excited. Let's try them on. Okay, so from Target I picked up some underwear, and these are my favorites. They're from Auden, and I love how stretchy they are. Sometimes in store it's hard to find the size that I like. I got a 2X in these, which might be a little loose fitting, but I kind of like that. Look how stretchy they are. They're so comfortable. So if you are ever in the need of underwear, try Target. These are only $6. I think they're 5 for $20, so I definitely recommend. I'm gonna go online and buy more. I love these so much. They're super comfortable. I love the fabric. I'm just obsessed with these, and they kind of just give me the perfect amount of support. Like, I just love them so much. I have not bought any other underwear since buying those. I'm obsessed. Next, I bought a pajama set. Look how cute. You guys know that Target is famous for their pajama sets, and I have been buying pajamas exclusively at Target for years now because they're just so affordable, so comfortable. They have like that buttery, stretchy material. This is a really nice little short sleeve, a button down. This is an extra large. They didn't have a double X, but honestly it's fine because everything is so stretchy, and I love how they feel. Like, look at that stretch. They also have pockets. I don't know about you guys, but I love my pajamas that have pockets, because sometimes you're hanging around the house and like you'll need like chapstick or something, or sometimes I'll just put my phone in my pocket, or sometimes if I'm laying in bed in my pajamas, I will just put my hand in my pocket if I'm laying on my side. I don't know, it's so random, but if you're a pocket on your pajamas girl, let me know in the comments. I love these. Let me try it on. So the top that I'm actually wearing right now is also from Target. It is really old, so I don't know if I can link it, but if I can, I will. And anything else that you see in this video, I will try to link. Here's what the pajama top looks like. As you can see, super cute. You could even like get away with wearing this with some leggings or pants if you have to like run errands really quickly. It's so comfortable. There's a little pocket in the front, and again, this is an extra large, and I think it fits really well. I love the material. Okay, the next thing that I picked up is this dress. I have been seeing this dress everywhere. I saw it in store a couple weeks ago and I was obsessed, but they didn't have my size. It is a double polka dot, so the top has like the little milkmaid sleeve with a little puff slash stretch ruffle kind of sleeve, and then I love the neckline on this, and then the bottom is the contrasted black and white polka dot, whereas the top is white and black. And this is a double XL. Don't know if it's gonna fit, but let's try it on. Okay, so here's the dress on. It fits so well. I love this brand, particularly A New Day from Target. The double XL fits so perfectly on me. I have like skirts from this brand, and I love this material because it's like a non-stretch but not uncomfortable type of material. It's non-stretch, but it's super light. The way it lays on the body is so flattering. I'm obsessed. Oh, look at how cute that is. It's very like, take me to the sock hop, let's go to the diner, let's get a milkshake. Like, I don't know, it just gives very cutesy. Obviously I'm not wearing I'm not wearing a bra right now, so once I am, everything will sit better because the bra will kind of help keep everything up and in place. But I just think it's so sexy and so flattering. This V-neck here, how it like really makes the waist look snatched. The sleeves are so cute. Okay, the next piece that I picked up is something that is so me, and I'm so happy that they had this because this is like really my style. I'm a leopard print girly, as you guys know. I love leopard print, I love polka dots. I'm a really like classic, sexy 80s, 90s vibe type of person. And I love this little top. It kind of looks like a lingerie or like a pajama top, but it's just like a regular blouse. It's so cute. It has like this really nice little stringy design in the back, and you can undo the string here and kind of adjust the sizing. I got a double XL. This is also a New Day, which is the same brand as this, so hopefully it fits nicely. I think it's so cute, sexy. It's just classic. Jeans and a cute top forever. I can see myself wearing this with jeans in the fall, with a blazer. Really cute. Even in the summer, oversized blazer with this, maybe some capris or even shorts. Then in the fall, wearing it with, you know, trousers and trench coat. This is just such a cute top. And then tops like these are really great because when you get tired of them or they get a little bit old, you can wear them as a pajama top or a lingerie top, and 2 for 1. There are a few like slinky little tops that I have that I stopped wanting to wear them out, or they just stopped fitting the way I like, or they just were not trendy anymore, or they just started looking a little bit old, and I just put them in my pajama drawer and I wear them in the house. It's such a great way to get another life out of the piece without throwing it out. So let's try it on. I'm really excited to see how it fits. I hope it fits nice. It's so cute, and I like how you can actually adjust the length of these straps. So when you untie this back here, it gives you a lot more room to pull it down or pull it up. So I love that because I'm petite, I'm very short as well, so usually straps on blouses are always too long for me. So having that adjustability just works so much better for me. I love this. This is so, my style is so freaking cute. Look how cute she is. I mean, yeah, this is it. This is her. This is her. I could see this with like a black slinky skirt, a brown skirt. This is just gonna be something that you might see me wear pretty often. I'm obsessed. Highly recommend. Grab this. I'm gonna link it down below. Snatch this baby up because this is something you could have in your closet, no lie, for decades. Like, I'm not even being funny. If you take care of this, you could have this for 10 years and it will always be something you could wear in the fall, in the summer, any time of year. Leopard print is a classic. Throw this on with jeans, black pants, trousers, a blazer, a trench coat. It's a classic. So here's how it looks when I tied it up myself. I am alone, so that's like the best I could do, but it still works really well. Okay, so I don't know if you guys are on this wavelength, but I'm noticing, well, there has been a huge trend of people wearing like really baggy jeans and oversized pants, and I'm really into it right now, like, because honestly I like being comfortable. I'm really into the pants trousers trend right now, like everybody else. It's just so much more comfortable than wearing tight dresses, tight skirts, tight jeans. So I was like, I really want a pair of like loose fitting cute jeans. So now that I'm a size 18, I decided to buy a larger size to see if it would fit loose. So I got these 90s straight high rise straight hip and thigh. This is a regular inseam. It's a stretch jean and it's a size 26, and I am a size 18 in jeans now. So I thought maybe these would fit baggy enough. So let's try them on and see how they look. I really am going for like that baggy cute look, so I will put a picture here of what I'm talking about so you guys get an idea of what I'm going for. So let's see if they're baggy. Okay, so they are a little bit baggy, like more so like, especially like down from the knee, and then there's a lot of space back here, as you can see, because of my waist. But because of my hips and butt, it is still pretty snug through the hip area. But I don't know, it is definitely more baggy than, it definitely fits baggy compared to how my 18s fit, but I expected a little bit more room, but I'm wondering if they'll stretch out. Okay, so I kind of sat around in them and kind of moved around in them, and they are already feeling more baggy. So that definitely lets me know that they will start to feel a little bit more baggy and have that like slouchier look that I'm going for. I want to be cool. It's just funny because this is how we used to dress. Like, this is literally the kind of outfit that I would wear in 2006. I have a picture of an outfit that looks almost identical to this from 2006 or 7. I will put the picture here so you guys can see. It's the same outfit. But you know what? I'm not complaining, because how awesome is it to relive your youth twice. I mean, that's the dream. So I'm not gonna be mad about it. Okay, the other things that I grabbed from Target are not clothing related, but I thought they were so cute. There's like, okay guys, I'm back. My battery had to charge, so I've been working all day. That's why like my makeup is different. It's been a long one, but I wanted to share with you some more stuff that I picked up from Target that are not clothing items. There is this brand called Yobi or Yubi, and they did a Barbie collab of like some books and pens and like different like what do you call that, like school supply type of items, office supply items. So I got this really cute little bag that has the little Barbie logo and then the pink palm trees, which is so cute. I thought this would be really cute as like a little makeup bag. It is meant to be for like pens and pencils for a binder, but I think it could be really cute as a little makeup bag, just have in your purse or for the beach. And then I also got this set of 3 gel pens. Look how cute these are with the little Barbie logos, and it's like a blue, a hot pink, and a baby pink. So cute. Everything was $5 each, super affordable. I also ended up getting this cute little pink Barbie notebook. It's like holographic, so cute. I love the aqua with the pink, and it's kind of textured, so cute. So grabbed this notebook that's just hot pink with the big holographic Barbie on it. This one comes with a little pen, and I loved the combo of the pen with the notebook. I had to have it, so I'm probably gonna use this as just like a really cute notebook for thoughts, or maybe like a journal. So cute. I also picked up this set of pens. How cute is this? With the little blue, pink, and hot pink. So one says Barbie all over, one has Barbie in the center, and then the other one has the pink and blue logo from the movie. And then I also picked up this notebook with the little diamond pen. And this notebook is so cute because it's like the blue and pink logo from the movie. So I'm actually going to do a little giveaway for you guys on this video. So I'm going to be giving away one of these little makeup bags or binder bags along with this little notebook and the pen. So all 3 items are going to be yours, and then I'm going to add some makeup and skincare goodies into the bag, and it's going to be a little surprise. So I'm also going to throw in a pair of my Lascano lashes. So if you're interested in winning this with the makeup and skincare items, if you want to win this makeup bag with some goodies in it, as well as this notebook and the pen, leave a comment under this video. Anything you want, just like the video, leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and that will give you entry to this giveaway. So I'm so excited because I haven't done a giveaway in a minute, and I feel like doing it here on YouTube with you guys is just much more intimate, and I feel like my true ride or dies are here on the video. So I'm so excited to do this giveaway for you guys. Okay, and then lastly for this haul, I got a new pair of sneakers. Look how cute they are. We went to the New Balance store and I picked these up. These are the 9060s pink white rose blanc. Look how cute they are. I'm obsessed with this like beautiful light pink peachy color, and then it has like this buttery tan with white and gray. It is so pretty, and my foot is so much smaller now, guys. I had to get rid of all of my other shoes, and these are a size 7 in men's, 8.5 in women's. Let me show you my old ones. So these are the ones that I had before. I had 2 pairs of these, and these were an 8 in men's. So I went down a full size. These are a 7 in men's. This is an 8 in men's. And after losing weight, these are just way too big on me. Like, look at the difference. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I could really see the difference. These are just way smaller, and I'm just so excited. And it's sad because I love that colorway, like the apricot, not the apricot, the eggplant with the brown. I love that colorway, so I'm so sad, but I'm so happy to get something else and have a new color. And I love these. These are my favorite sneakers. I think they're the cutest. They're so comfortable. I want like every color, so I thought I'd share that with you guys. If you're looking for a good shoe that's cute, that's comfortable, they come in a lot of colors, so I will link those down below for you guys. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Don't forget to enter the giveaway by liking, commenting, and subscribing. And I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Stay glam. Besitos. Bye.